folks, welcome to the Netcruzer RC. Ready to go for a rip with the LOSI Tenacity DB Pro, and I'm going to run it on 3S for the first time. There is a extension that you put on the battery tray, which I have done. Now I'm running a low profile 3S pack, so I had to put some foam in instead, but just raising the posts front and back just allows you to fit a thicker 3S battery in, or a big 2S, which I will do in the future. And you're also supposed to gear down. It comes with a 17 tooth pinion in the kit stock, and you're supposed to gear down to a 15. Unfortunately, I stripped the grub screw trying to change the pinion, so we're gonna run this on 3S with the 17 tooth pinion, and I just put some motor heat sinks on just to try and keep heat down. It is a cold day. There's snow on the ground. It's around 0 degrees Celsius, so we'll give it a run. First run of the LOSI Tenacity DB Pro on 3S LiPo. Oh, look at the balloon in the front. Now this is with AVC off. I much prefer driving it with AVC off. Seems pretty fun on 3S. It's so fun! And as you can see, I've blown a tire bead. I think Vaz was talking about that, how he blew the bead on the tire first run out. So, man, got to glue these tires better. Yeah, that sucks. All right, so if you're gonna run 3S on the LOSI Tenacity DB Pro, it's better to add some glue to your tires. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.